What's up, guys? This is a really random video, but I'm gonna show you guys how I make, well, I'm trying to make a new coffee at home because my mom just made this milk. If you guys want to see how we make the milk, is very simple, but I know some people like to see how it's made to know, I guess. And don't mind the t-shirt on my head. This is how I dry my hair. But I'm just, oh my god, did my hair get in the hazard? You need a hair net. But anyways, I just want to show you guys how to make your own cute little coffee at home. I've slowly been introducing coffee back into, not my diet, but like, I guess into my mornings. I only drink it in the morning now. I struggle with anxiety, and I won't get into that in another video, but I kind of stopped drinking that because of it. So now I've slowly been increasing it. I used to drink it from this size. Now I'm gonna drink it from this size, and it's a bit of an increase, but I'm gonna make sure that I don't overdo it because we can't do that. So the way we prepare coffee at our place, and it's always been prepared like this, it's in, I don't know how to say this in English, but my family calls it a greca. You basically put the grounds inside the water, and then it like fills up. I just love this process. I think it's so cute. And basically my mom prepares it for me, and she makes it light. Well, not light, but not too strong, you know. I have my own little coffee machine, and it sucks because I love it, but I can't really use it because of it makes the coffee strong. Even if I buy it labeled as light coffee, it's still strong, and still gives me jitters. I mean, one day I'll have to face the jitters to get rid of that like little anxiety fear of like drinking coffee. Sorry for saying like so much, but so I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do now? Okay, so I'm gonna show you what you guys need. Coffee, a mug of your choice, a little pan. Guys, this is so freaking busted, like this is so sad. So you're gonna need your own little pan. Look, the handle freaking broke off. But you're just gonna need like a little pan that you can pour out like the milk or whatever. Lastly, you're going to need a frother. I mean, you don't have to use a frother, but this is what makes it more fun for me, I would say, and more just like makes me feel like I'm a barista at my own home, you know. So I like this one. It's just Bodum. It has a little, I don't know if you guys can even read that. Can you? Yeah, Bodum, right? I got it at Target for like $6. Okay, so now the Bodum is washed, right? So I'm just gonna grab my milk. It's right here. So this is basically almond milk and oats. You just put it in a blender. You can just take out, like strain it. So I'm just gonna heat up the stove. So this is it right here. So basically I'm just gonna pour some of this into it. Let me pour my coffee first so I can see how much milk I'm gonna use. So let's say, and this is the first time I'm using it without sugar. Look at that coffee. I'm gonna do that much because I'm just scared to drink so much coffee. I think that's not bad. Okay, this is like a wuss amount. Oh, or should I just make my own? Actually, I'm gonna make it in my little cup. I'm just gonna wash my little cup. I'm still here, guys, just washing my cup. I'm the only one who like over rinses everything. Okay, so I decided to use this one. This cup was literally $1 at Dollar General, and look how cute. It has some nice sayings. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour my coffee into my little baby cup. So here we go again. So like I mean, you can make it to whatever amount you want. And this is just me trying it out. So if it comes out horribly, let's just see. I think that's a good amount. I put that much. I don't know if you guys can tell. See, right? Now I'm just gonna pour the milk. Got this also from Dollar General for $1. I'm just gonna pour the milk. Oh, and it's like thick a little bit. Oh, I like that. Oh my god, oh my god. Technical difficulties. I'm just gonna heat that up for a little bit in order to be able to froth it well. I hope it froths good, because it depends. Sometimes I have a good foam, sometimes I have like a decent foam. You feel me? So I'll just use this cup. I'm gonna use this cup to pour the milk into it and just froth it there. So we're just gonna let it heat up. So while it heats up, just, I don't know, stare at me. No, I'm just kidding. So we're waiting for the milk to heat up. Guys, you know what show is just so good? And you guys should watch it too? Parks and Rec. I'm sorry. And I hope I don't get hate for this, but I don't hate The Office. The Office is cool and funny, but nothing holds a higher place than Parks and Rec and Friends. Like, it's Friends than Parks and Rec. So, and I've been watching That 70s Show recently, so that one's fun too. The Office is not bad, don't get me wrong. It's just that I prefer Parks and Rec because I feel like it's more my humor. I feel like my humor is exactly like the Parks and Rec humor. I think it's heated up enough. Oh my god, it's getting like... Oh my god, I didn't think this was gonna happen to it. Oh my god. It's like thick and nasty. I guess I should have realized that since it's oats. Oh my god, I think I just failed, guys. Hell no. This is such a fail. Look it, because it's oats, right? So it's basically like cooking itself. Oh my god, like, I don't know if you guys can see. See the lumps in there? I am not drinking it like that. Let's give it one more shot, okay? Oh my god, because I like my coffee hot. I don't want it to be freaking cold. I mean, I like cold coffee too, don't get me wrong, but... Oh, this is just a fail. So I guess I'm gonna have to use the little bit I have left. Mami, mira cómo se puso cuando yo traté de calentar la leche. Se puso como avena. Alright, so I'm just gonna... My cat hates this, so I'm just gonna do it inside this cup. Let's see if it gives me any foam anyway. So I'm just like doing it like this, guys. I don't know if you can see. We just put it inside the milk for a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna like it. This is such a fucking fail. Alright, I'm just gonna pour it in and see. Yeah, there's no foam at all. No foam. I mean, let me taste it. Maybe it's a better sweetener if you don't want to add sugar to your coffee. You know what? That was a fail. Oh my god, I'm so upset right now. So guys, that was basically my failed attempt on making a coffee at home. See you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this one more time. It was my mistake for not thinking that the oat milk wouldn't turn into like oatmeal. I thought it wouldn't, because you know, oat milk and coffee, I don't know. So I'm just gonna use regular almond milk. So I'm just gonna pour some almond milk. I already have my coffee, the same amount. I heated it up a little bit. Now I have my little different saucer for the milk. So, oh my god, let me look at myself pouring it. So I'm just gonna heat that up for a little bit because I like my milk warm. Okay, for sweetener, so I'm just gonna use brown sugar. So I sweeten my coffee first. I'm gonna use about that much. I don't know if you guys... Oh my god, it's like everything is failing. Okay, so I'm not using that much. I don't know if I could like that. Well, that looks like a lot though. Whatever, that's better than creamer sometimes, I guess. Let me see if it's sweet enough. Oh my god, that's the only thing I don't like about coffee, that it takes years to get sweetened by sugar. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the milk. So I'm pouring it into the saucer, as you can see. Now I'm going to use the Bodum machine. So this is how I normally would do my coffee. If I don't use sugar, I'll use the International Delight Creamer, which is oh my god, let me show you guys the best part. I just put it in there like that. And I know you nasties try to be nasty. Leave it there for like maybe 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, I don't know. Who's keeping track? Are you? So let's just let that continue because I like a good foam, baby. Look how much foam. I don't know if you guys can tell, but can you see the foam? Now, the fun part. I'm going to pour it in for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. So, I just take whatever remainder of the foam is. Just add that on top. Bro, doing this makes me so happy. Now all I do, oh my god, it's gonna be hard to show. What if I spill this shit over? Trying to show y'all like the brown sugar. Oh my god, this video is all over the place. So now all I do is, I'm just gonna show you guys. For those nosy, I'm joking. So, and then I just do it like that. Just to, you know, mix it up with the coffee on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Baby. So much better than the last one. I mean, you guys could do it the way you guys want to do it. I just wanted to make this video because it makes me so happy. I can't speak. I was about to say happy. It makes me so happy being able to make my own little coffee. So let's take a sip together. Look at that foam. Oh my god. Look at that foam. So. Bro, this is the best coffee I've made in a while. Pinkies out, baby. Baby, that's good. But thank you guys for watching me fail and then succeed at the end. But hopefully this gives you some motivation to make your own little cute coffee or whatever you like drinking, tea, to make yourself happy. This is something I do to treat myself, because when you go through such a hard time, like with yourself and anxiety and all that crap, it's a little hard, you know, to find things that you want to do again. But oh my god, my camera's dying. So like, subscribe, and spread love and peace. So like always, bye guys.